solve if 25 to the power x minus 1 is equal to the 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100, then we have to find the value of x. Alright, so let's solve this problem. Twenty-five to the power x minus 1 is equal to the 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 100. So we can write 25 as 5 square to the power x minus 1 is equals to the 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus of 100. So we can write it as, we know that if a to the power m to the power n, so we can also write it as a to the power m times of n. So here we will apply this identity. So we will get like 5 to the power 2 times of x minus 1 is equals to the 5 to the power 2x minus 1 minus of 100. So simplify करेंगे हम तो 5 की पावर 2x minus 2 is equal to the 5 की पावर 2x minus 1 and minus 100. So we can also simplify it in terms of 5 की power 2x, right? So let's assume u is equals to the 5 की power 2x. So if we substitute u 5 to the power 2x equal to the u in the above equation, we will get, so we can also write it this equation as 5 की power 2x times of 5 की power minus 2 is equal to the 5 की power 2x times of 5 की power minus 1 and minus 100. So if we substitute 5 की power 2x is equal to the u, so we will get u times of 5 की power minus 2 is equal to the u times of 5 की power minus 1 minus of 100. So we already know that a to the power minus m, a to the power minus m can also be written as 1 upon a to the power m. So here we can write this 5 की power minus 2 is equal to the 1 upon 5 की power 2. So we can write it as u times of 1 upon 5 की power 2 is equals to the u times of 1 upon 5 की power 1 minus of 100. So here we 5 to the power 2 is the 25. So u divided by 25 is equals to the u by 5 minus 100. So if we multiply 25 on both sides of equation, so we will get 25 times of u divided by 25 is equals to the 25 times of u by 5 minus of 100. So here we will get 25, this is cancelled. So u is equals to the 5 times of u, because 25 times of u by 5, so we will get 5 times of u minus 2500. So on simplification we will get 4 times of u is equal to the 2500. So we can write it as u is equals to the 625. So यहाँ पे हमें u की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 625. तो हमको पता है that u is equal to the 5 की power 2x. So we can write it as, we can substitute the value of u is 5 की power 2x. So we can write it as 5 की power 2x is equal to the 625. So now we So now we need to write 625 as a base of 5. So we know if we factor the 625, so let's factor the 625. So 5. So if we divide 625 by 5, so we will get 125. So again 5. So we can write it as 5 की power 4. So we can say we can write 625 as 5 की power 4. So since the base are equal, base are 5, so we can write it as 2x equal to the 4. So we can say x is equal to the 2. So the value of x is 2 and that is our answer.